Build different, cash different, win different. This is first class. Small town dirt in my boot still. Big league drive, that's a true skill. Class small time, but I aim high. Never been built for the sideline. Bedroom savage grip lock tight. If I step in once, it's good night. Second place, that don't last. Whole life stand, first class. Adrenaline rush, I feed that. Pressure hit, I need that. You fold up, I lean in. New arena, I'm all in. Bloodline blade, 4th gen cut. Build that shot from the ground up. Name on the wall, lights on blast. If I brand it once, it's first class. No runner up. No runner up. We level up. From the chair to the cash to the mountain pass. Real don't dress. Raise that flag. Raise that flag. Raise that flag.
Oh, got him. Got him. Yeah. Right there, guys. First fish on of the day. Heck yeah. He smacked that. He's trying to take me in this current a little bit. Let's try and get him out of it. Looks like we got a little foul hookage, guys. That's not what we wanted for our first fish. Oh no, he ate it. Okay. Alright. We'll take that. We'll take that, little guy. You ate it. Alright, guys. First fish of the day right there on the Backwoods Lures. Rainbow trout. Let's go. Got this rainbow trout here. That's what we're starting out with, guys. Let's give it a go. Let's try to get us another one. Got him right here at the end. Oh, am I going to get him? I gotta get down here. There you go. Come here, big guy. Nice little brown here. I don't think we're gonna net him. We're just gonna get him off right here. Hey, thanks, buddy. Nice brown here, guys. Barely popped off right there. Nice little fight right at the very end. Cool little red dots already. Our second fish of the day. Been down here about 10 minutes. I think it's gonna be a good day. Thanks, buddy. Off you go. Right on. Got him. Got him. Kind of a weird hook set, but I got him. Not a bad brown here, guys. Tighten this drag up a little. Come here, brownie. Come here, brownie. Oh, no, alright. That's kind of a weird hook set. But he swallowed it, so. Woo. Nice little brown there. Get him off. Right there on the Backwoods Lures, guys. That's the third one right there on that rainbow trout pattern. Got us a nice brown trout here, though. Right on, let's let him go. Shoot. Later, dude. Alright. If you guys haven't picked you one up yet, ever, try one. Just try one. Backwoods Lures. Kyle Shaw, guys, hand paints all these. Let's go. They're gonna smack us a big one here. I can feel it. Let's gonna happen. Ooh. Oh, there he is. Got one. Look at that, back to back. That's just a little guy. We're gonna find us a big one. But right now, we're just gonna get all these little ones out of the way. Is that our 4th fish in 20 minutes? So that's not bad. Right there again, little brown. Little baby brown. He's a little tiny guy. Shoom. Woo. Got him. Oh. It's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, he popped off. No. No, he popped off. As soon as we switched it up. Dang. Alright, let's go get us another. Got him. Another weird hook set. Not too bad of a brown. Yeah, there we go. Come here, big guy. Alright. In the net. Good brownie here. Alright. Let's get him out of the net here. Boom. Alright. Thanks, brown. Pop this jig out of your mouth. Right on out. Pretty brown, y'all. Look at this little dot on him. Maybe we'll catch you again someday. Good male brown. Let's let him go. There he goes, right on there, bro. Oh, got him. Got him. That's a good fish, guys. That's a good fish. Yeah, looks like a good brown here. Let's get him up here. Yeah, it's a good sized brown. Smack that dynamic lure right there. Alright. Oh shit, almost fell over. Ooh, almost fell over. Get this nice brown up here. Hey, hey, hey. Hold on, guy. Yeah, good size brown. He's about 16 inches probably. Alright. Nice little 16-inch brownie. He's real pretty. Alright, let's let him go. See you, buddy. There he goes. Alright. Yeah, we got a big brown on, guys. We got a big brown on. We didn't get the hook set on camera, but we got him. Nice brown here. Alright, right there. Yeah, let's check him out. That was a pretty good bite. Good to roll it. Nice, guys, right there on the dynamic. We switched it up a little bit. Went to this dynamic and smacked one. Get this off here, guys. Alright, let's check this little pretty brown here. Alright, let's let him go. See you, buddy. Right on. Alright, guys, we didn't get this pretty guy on camera. We just caught another little buck. Nice little brownie. Heck yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that before I let him go. Ooh, right on. Heck yeah, guys. Let's go get us a big one now. What about 16, 17 inches all day? Let's go get us a big one. Alright. I got us a nice brown here, guys. Just switch back over to a minnow and smack this guy. Let's get him in here. Alright. Nice brown there. Ooh, he gulped that thing. I think they call it a gulp minnow. Huh? That's why. Because these browns will gulp it. Pop it right out. Oh. Nice brown there. Let him go, everyone. Whoop, we better fall. Yes, sir. Here, guys. We got us a good sized brown on. This is the best one of the day here. I barely lipped him right there. Barely right on the lip. Pop it right out. Oh. What's he got in his mouth? What's he got inside of his mouth? You guys, he's got a fish in his mouth. Look at that. He's got a giant fish inside of his mouth. Look at that. Oh my goodness. What is that? It's a giant freaking fish inside of him. Can you guys see that? Holy cow. That's a big brown. It's a big brown. With a fish inside of him. Holy cow, that's a big fish inside of him. And he's still eating. Oh my goodness. Well, let's let him go. Oh good. Alright, oh, he's still got that fish in his mouth. Damn, that's crazy. Oh, he's in the current. Oh, he's out now. We got us a good one on, guys. He's out of the current now. But he's dead weighting us. So we know he's a good size. I'm gonna try and fight him down here a little bit. I haven't seen him yet. Oh yeah, he's pretty good size. That's a nice brown, everyone. Oh yeah, now he's trying to run. Where are you gonna run to? Oh, 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 come here, brown. Come here, big guy. Where are you gonna come to? Where you want me to net you at? Right here? Okay. Come here, big guy. Yeah, nice brown. Heck yeah. That's what we come down here for. Right there. Nice size brown, guys. See that big boy? Oh yeah, that's the best one of the day right there. Oh yeah, he gulped it. Heck yeah. He smashed that thing. Hold on, big guy. Hold on, big guy. You gotta get that out of your mouth. Ooh, you're a big boy. Oh yeah. Nice brown. He's about 19 inches, everybody. Woo. Let's get a good look at him real quick. Let's get a real good look at this big boy. Oh yeah. He's nice. He's about 19 inches. Heck yeah. Let's get a picture with him and an underwater. I'll show you guys what he looks like. Right on. Yeah, guys. Alright. Nice brownie. Let him go. Woo. Yes, sir. We got another big one on, guys. We were just floating it down that current. Probably been about 30 casts in there. Finally got us another one. I still don't know how big he is. Oh, there he comes. He's not too big. Nice size cut bow here. There he is. Nice cut bow. Little Snake River cutty here. Let's check him out. Hold on, guy. These guys fight like crazy. Hey. Would you come here? Let me get you off of here. And I'll let you go home. There we go, guys. Right on the lip. Boom. Nice little Snake River cutty. There's his slash right there. Oh, wait. No, that was not graceful. You did that to yourself. I was going to let you go. Alright. Nice little Snake River, guys. Let's go. Let's go get us a couple more before this day's over, huh? We're doing pretty good so far. About 10 fish or so on the day. Hasn't been too bad. All I'm doing is tossing it way out there in that current and letting it drift all the way to the bottom, right in the middle of the current. And then I'm just kind of letting the current take it. And as it's tumbling down that river is where I'm getting all those hits. A little minnow is just tumbling down. See if we can get us another one, guys. Stay tuned. Got us a big one on, guys. We got us a big one on. We were jigging right below our feet, not even expecting anything. And this big old cut bow just came up and smashed this jig. It was pretty cool. He's a big old cutty though. Come here, big guy. Come here, big guy. Yeah, you're a big river. Come here. Come on. Oh, that's a big Snake River right there, guys. Just a big cut bow. I'm trying to get him up here. Oh, don't you get me off on that rock. Come here, big guy. Oh, he's fat, guys. He's not letting me get him upriver at all. Here he comes. Here he comes. Come here, big guy. Oh, he's taking off again. Oh, come on, big guy. Dang. He's not ready, guys. He's not ready to give up yet. Woo. Oh, God dang. Oh. He's fat, guys. And he is not giving up, but I barely haven't. Every time he sees the net, he gets spooked. Oh, come here. Oh, got him. He swam right into the net. Alright. Heck yeah. It's been a while since we've had a fish, you guys. So, feels nice to finally get one. Oh, all tangled up in my line here. There we go. Alright. That's a big old cutthroat, guys. Try to get this hook out of him here. Heck yeah, guys. Ooh. Put our hands here and I'll show you what he looks like. This is a big old cutthroat or cut bow here. Come here, big guy. Oh yeah. Big old cut bow. Heck yeah. That jaw and the kipe on that big boy. Heck yeah, let's get a picture with him. And I'll show you guys what he looks like underwater. Alright. Yeah. Feel the size, boy. Put him back. Alright, guys. Beautiful, beautiful cut bow. Alright, let's get him back. Alright guys, so after that big old fish we just caught, I want to show you what he did to our line. If you can see that, he frayed up our line really good. So that's him rubbing it off on all those rocks right there, and right there there's a little curly Q in the line, and so that's him rubbing us off on all those rocks. So what I'm gonna do is go a little bit above that line and cut it, and I want to pocket this line because I don't want to leave any line behind. What you take in, guys, you want to take out. So all this excess line right here is going in the pocket, and then we're going to retie this on real quick. So we'll be back with you soon. As always, everybody, never forget to crack a beer and enjoy yourself. So that's what we're here for as well. We're not here to just catch big fish. We're here to have fun and relax and enjoy the day. So hopefully you guys are as well. And let's go catch some more fish. All right. Got one on. Got one on. I don't know where he's going. Where is he taking us? Here, big brown. Oh! Whoa! Holy cow! Whoa! What a nice big brown here. Wow, that was a cool jump. Clean out of the water, yo. He was a feisty big brown. Holy moly. Alright, let's get him off here. Man, he smashed that Burke minnow there. Oh yeah, that's a good brown, guys. That's a healthy brown right there. And he just barely ate it. But he gator rolled himself into a mess like they tend to do. How did you do this here, guy? What did you do? Hold on. Yeah, I'm getting it off. Shoosh. What a nice big brown, you guys. That's a nice big football. Woo! Heck yeah. Let's get a good picture with him real quick. Show you guys what he looks like. Woo! Nice big brown, guys. Oh, God. There he goes. No release there. Dang it. Alright. You win some, you lose some. We caught him, so we win. But we didn't get a good release, so he's healthy though. He swam off. Alright. We got a nice one on, guys. It's been a long time. It's been about an hour and a half since we caught a fish, so we're pretty stoked. And this one feels pretty good, so I'm not gonna horse him. He feels pretty big here. Oh yeah, that's a big fish, guys. Don't lose him. Come on. We gotta tire him out, guys. Oh yeah, that's a big cut bow. That's a big cut bow. You can't horse him. Come on, guy. Come on here. Come on here, big guy. He's fighting me pretty hard. Oh, in the net, yeah. Yeah. Heck yeah, guys. It's been a while since we've had a fish on. And that's a big cutty. Big, beautiful, beautiful cut bow. Hey. Alright. That's a beautiful cut bow. Barely caught him. That's a beautiful fish, guys. Yeah, he's pretty. We're gonna get a picture and an underwater with him. We'll be right back, guys. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Nice big couple. Yes, sir. Nail. Big old buck. Yeah. That's what we come down here for. All right, let's get him underwater. Let's go see what he looks like. Alright guys, one more fish and we're gonna get out of here. We just want one more. It's been a while since we've caught one. It's probably been close to another hour since we've caught a fish. They've been few and far between today, but we've caught some good ones, so it's been a good day. We just want one more fish before we get out of here.